Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is too long. We have taken the videos on the conditions of Python programming language. So previous video I explained regarding to the conditional statements, right? So in this video we are going to some of the examples based on the conditional statements. So like using of if, else and else if. So try out this example yourself also with the different taking of samples, and definitely you will get some of the logics how to build the statement, how to build the conditions based on these statements. Okay, let's move into that. So today the first topic is I'm going to give one example is on like write a python code write a python code to find even or odd number. Okay, even or odd number. So this is a code. Simply let me take like number equals to 3. I need to find whether this number is even or not. Okay, for this condition let me write a small logic. If number percent 2 equal to 0, print even number. Otherwise simply else print odd number. Understand? This is a simple logic. So here the percentage, remember, like if you use the arithmetic operation of a percentage that represent the remainder. So when you apply the percentage like a modular symbol for the number, if you get the remainder 0, that is equals to the even number. If the number is not getting a 0 in the remainder, that is equal to the odd number. So here the odd, it is an odd number. So let me do one more example. 38 is also even number. Like simple code we have written here. So this is a basic level of understanding. Clear? Basic level of understanding. So we will go for the second question, and the second one is also find the largest number among the three numbers. Okay, let me write the condition. So let me take like this. We decided to find the largest number among the three numbers. Let me take number one equals to 4, num2 equals to 5, num3 equals to 33. So by seeing we know that num1, num2, num3, num3 is a big one, but in a logic we need to return. So if num1 greater than equals to and num1 greater than equals to num3. So if here the logic is if num1 greater than equals to num2 and num1 greater than equals to num3, if the logic num1 is greater than num2 and num1 is greater than num3, so I need to print this is a larger number or largest number. This is a largest number. So I need to write for num2 also, else if num2 greater than or equals to num1 and num2 greater than or equals to num3. So now I need to print the statement num2 is a largest number. Num2 is a largest number. Else print num3 is a largest number. Here, this is a thing. This is a small logic. So the first if condition represented if num1 is greater than num2 and num1 is greater than num3. So that is we need to print the num1 is a greater than. So So second condition, second logic condition, we written right, num2 is greater than num1 and num2 is greater than num3, we need to print the num2. And finally, if the both conditions are not satisfied, we go for the another step, like the final step, that is num3 is a greater one. So here num3 is a greater one. Let me change the things. So we see like num2 is a big one. If you want to change num1 like num2, num1 is a big one, right? So this is a simple logic we have written to find which is the largest number among the two things, among the three things, right? Among the three things. And we are going to see one more example, that is regarding to the third question. That's a point like so find a code, find a Python code, find a Python code, write a Python code, to find leap year, okay now, leap year. So this is the condition. So here we need to find whether if you given any input of a number, if you give any year number, so we need to find whether the number is leap year or not. Okay, next year equals to, let me take an year equals to 2007. Okay, this is a year. I need to find whether this year is a leap year or not. So for that we have a condition, if year modulus of 4 equals to 0, if year modulus of 4 equals to 0, print is a leap year, else print is not a leap year. Attention. So it is not a leap year. Let me give 2000. So it is a leap year. It is identifying whether the number is a leap year or not. So 1980. So it is a leap year. 1908 is a leap year. So let me move into the depth, like past generation 1907. So it's not a leap year, right? So some more detail in depth, like 1947. So it's also not a leap year. 1960, 1956. So it is also not a leap year. Let me go for in depth, like 1478. So it is also not a leap year. 1479 is also not leap year. So if you go for the 1712, it's a leap year. So like this we can easily identify whether the year is a leap year or not. So which is divisible by 4, like it's simply known as a leap year, right? So we can easily identify whether the year is a leap year or not. Right? Any doubts up to now? I hope you all are noting this, right, guys? So please try to note down each and every program and practice yourself with the different examples. At the time only you will get the things to how exactly we are doing the things. Clear? Is it clear? Yep. So next question is, next question, try to understand the question now. So I have a group, okay, I have a group, it is I have a event group, okay, event, I have a event with the name OMSI or with the name Eternatech, with the name of Eternatech. So I need to segregate the, so let me give the group names. So event, like this event contain 4 groups. So name of a groups are, first one is child, and the second one is teenagers, third one is adult, and fourth one is senior. the fourth one. So first group name is child, second group child is teenager, third group name is adult, fourth group is senior. So here the conditions are, so the age of a person, or people under 12 belongs to child. Same between 13 to 19 or between 30 to 20 belongs to teenager. So another one, the age group of 21 to 59 belongs to adult. So above 59, some like above 60 or above 59, above 50 or above 60, belongs to seniors. That's it, right? So this is my senior. You need to write a program in this format of senior. So let me take age equals to 34. Let me take age equals to 34. I am building the logic. If age greater than equals to 0 and age greater than equals to 0 on age less than equals to, as a condition of 12, under the 12 we need to mention, right? Print child group. Okay, print child group. Else if we have one more condition, that is age equal to 13, greater than equal to 13, and age less than or equals to 20. Okay, age less than or equals to 20. So print teenager group. So let me write one more function. Else if age greater than equals to 21 and age less than equals to 59, print what I need to print, like adult group, right? Adult group, adult group. That's it, right? Adult group. So finally else condition. So that means above 60, above 59 people who are present, they are directly go for the senior group. So this is a simple logic written for the fourth statement of the. Let me run this. So it means age is 34, he belongs to the adult group. If I mention what exactly age is 14, so he belongs to the teenager. If I mention the age is 10, he belongs to the child. If I mention the age is 78, he belongs to the senior person, right? He belongs to the senior person. So this is a small program we can find, like we can do within multiple things. Okay, this is a condition. Try yourself. So if you want to print the name of an event also, print simply event name, like simply you can mention the event name also, like Eterno Tech. So if you do, the output of it will also came here. Clear? The output also came here. So this is the things, guys. So I hope you are all understand this each and everything concept. So if you have any doubts, please make sure in the comments. Definitely I will be able to clear that. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Great.